So this is the video for installing MySQL on your computer. If you have desktop or laptop, you can install MySQL yourself, but just follow these steps. If you have Windows 10, the uh, process will be just exactly like I am showing here. So go to Google from any of your web browser and type MySQL installer. Click on this download MySQL installer link. Select the first option and click download, and click on no thanks, just start my download. And after clicking this, the download will start. So for example, I have already downloaded this, and here it will be shown. And click on this arrow and select open, then click run. Let it install. After installation, it will show the prompt to install the actual MySQL server. You must be connected to internet for this. This message will appear. Select no. After this selection will appear. Click custom, click next. Click on this plus button on MySQL servers. Again plus button. According to your Windows version, whether it is 32-bit or 64-bit, it may vary. If you have a 64-bit machine, you will get MySQL server, the top one, you will get 8 point something. And if you have 32-bit version, you will get MySQL server 5.7. Anyhow, you have to select the first option. From there, you select the first option, whatever that appears in the plus button, and select from that the first version and click on this green arrow. Okay, so any machine, whether you are in 32-bit or 64-bit, the MySQL server list that will be shown here, the top one you have to select, and from that the top one you have to again select and press this green button. This will be selected here, then click next and then click execute. So it will download two files. The first one will be Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable file that is required to run this software. If in your computer the download, during the download and install, a box appears to install my Microsoft Visual C++ installer, just click on install. After that, you click next and select next again, then again click next. Then in here MySQL root password, you give any simple password that you can remember easily. So let's give 4A, small letter A. Same password you have to give here. Then click next and click next again. Click execute. Let it execute all these commands one by one automatically. It will do it. Depending upon your system, it may take some time. Then click finish and then click next and finish. So this is the installer that is installed the server. And then again the next step you have to do is go to your My Computer icon, go to Windows C drive, then go to program files, and again go to MySQL folder. Go to MySQL server folder, go to bin folder, and here in this bar where this address is shown, you just click once and then right click and select copy. Close this window, then right click on this PC icon, click on properties. Depending upon your updated version of Windows 10, you will get different modes, but in here you will get advanced system settings either in the left side or in the right side. You click on advanced system settings, go to environment variables, click on path, select edit, and here you click double click, or you can single click and click new, and then you right click on here and click paste. That whole address will be copied here. Okay, then click OK, then OK again, OK again, and close it. Next, you can go to command prompt. You can pin this to your taskbar, or you can click on start, go to Windows system or Windows accessories, wherever you will find this. Let's say in Windows 10, command prompt is there in this Windows system folder. Click on this, or you can right click more, pin to taskbar. Okay, so click on pin to taskbar icon here. Command prompt will open. Just type MySQL space hyphen u root space hyphen p, then press enter. Here it will be asked for password. You give the password that you have set while installing MySQL server. That is, I have set it here 4A's, 1 2 3 4, and press enter, and here MySQL will start. Then you can execute all the usual commands that you have. Okay, so this type of commands you can execute here. So this is the whole process of installing and starting MySQL server. The same process will be applicable for Windows 7. Just you have to download 2 more files before installing MySQL server. You have to install Microsoft. Just search in Google Microsoft VC++ 2013 redistributable, as well as another file .NET framework 4.5.2. Okay, so first you have to go to this Microsoft VC++ redistributable package, the first link. Click on this link. So these two process will be only applicable if you have Windows 7. If you have Windows 10, then these two process need not be done. Okay, just click on here for Windows 7. Those who have Windows 7 version, go to this page and click download. It will be downloaded, and after that you just click on again like this open, and then it will start the installation as usual. You click on next and it will install it. The second file you have to also install is Microsoft.NET Framework 4.5.2. Click on this link. Okay, click on this download link and it will be downloaded again the same way. Just we install Microsoft MySQL server also, or Microsoft VC++. Just click on open and it will install. So these two methods will have to be completed before installing MySQL installer. Okay, otherwise the MySQL will not be installed in Windows 7. But in Windows 10, just like I showed you first, that only you have to download this single file MySQL installer, and you can click on that and follow the steps. Okay,